Drake Beats.
I know I cut the video a little early, but I am Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. The vlog. This video is going to be me going to pick up something that was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but I kind of overslept. And I won't say too much what it is at this point in time, but I am going to pick it up. I had the post office hold it for me, and then once I get this picked up, then we will do a reveal to see what it is, to give you kind of like a heads up on what's going to be going on in the next maybe week or so with the channel. I have decided to do some things. I won't say. I don't want to put it all in one video, but I have decided to do some things. I have ordered some more things. Just being honest, I ordered some more things, and the things I'm ordering, I got some things coming hopefully on Saturday. I got some things coming next week. So I have ordered a lot of stuff for my plans that I have for what I'm trying to do. So if you want to know more, know more about what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and that way you will be notified on the progress on what I'm fixing to do in the next maybe couple of weeks to a month. Yes, I have changed up what I said I was going to do, but at the same time, I'm still doing certain things to my car, and I'm not doing a budget build or anything like that. I am doing a build, but I'm doing a different build. So I mean, that's all I'm going to give you on that behalf on the build. But like I said, right now I am driving to the post office to pick up something. Jesus Christ, I can't talk. I will be doing a reveal on this video of what I ordered, so you can see what, or give you an idea of what's going on with the stuff that's going on in my head, should I say. So I am going to cut here and pick up when I get to the post office. Okay guys, I'm picking up. I am at the post office right now. I'll give you a little glimpse. I'm at the post office. No, I don't have a P.O. box, but I'm planning on talking to them about one, seeing what I want to do and stuff like that, instead of having my home address and stuff like that. Just for you guys, if you guys want to ever send anything, I'm going to do a P.O. box. I'm going to see how much it's going to cost and stuff like that. But I'm going to cut this again because I'm going in, and I know you can't record when you're picking up packages and stuff like that. It's just disrespectful, stuff like that. So I'm going to cut here, and I'll pick up and show you once I get my package. Well, unfortunately, I have to go to a different freaking post office. I have to go to the main post office because the text message and the email I got technically just sent me to the wrong freaking post office. Goodness gracious. So I am on my way to pick up my package at the main post office. If it's at the main post office and it didn't go on the truck for redelivery today. So, I have so much crap that I have to do today, and I'm trying to get a lot of content for you guys today, just being honest. So, I have a lot in store for today. Like I said, hopefully I can get my package, and then I will give you little hints on what's going on with my build and what plans I have for my build, and if it's going to be an eBay build or a custom build, or I am not going to spill too much. I want you to be in suspense on what's going on. I want to see how many people really watch the channel, because if you really watch the channel, then you will be in suspense to see what's going on. God dang it, I'm supposed to turn. See what's going on with the channel. It was a UPS, my job, but see what's going on. God, I can't talk today. See what's going on. So I am going to cut here, and then I will pick up after I get my package, or when what the heck are you doing, bro? Excuse me. Or when I get to the post office to get my package, I will resume and go from there. And like I said, I will show you again that I received a package, and I will not open it. Oh, I can't talk. I will not open it till I get home, and I will do other things. I got to go get insurance and stuff for this car that I'm driving, and then see if I can get insurance for my other car. So like I said, I am trying to get it done, not giving any deadlines like I did before, because I feel like if I give a deadline, things don't happen the way you want. And then you get aggravated, pissed off, and then you feel like you're in a rush. So, enough of me talking for right now. I'm going to pick this package up, and then I will pick up when I get done. Okay, guys. Okay. I finally found it. It was, here at this post office. This is the package right here. It was a signature required. Like I said, I will be opening this package when I get home. I'm going to show you a little glimpse of the package. There's the package right there. I'm going to be opening the package when I get home. But right now, before I go home, I have things I have to do. Like I said, I got to get insurance, and I got to get some information on the car and the other car and this car. I am trying not to take up too much time talking about what I'm doing today. Trying to make the video not short, but where it's good enough content for you guys to get the understanding of what I'm trying to do for today and what I have planned for the build in the next couple months. So if you, like I said, if you bear with me and not really stay tuned, but stay subscribed to the channel, I will, hit you hard with this content that I'm going to be hitting you with, when I open this box. So I'm going to cut here, and I'm going to pick up when I open the box and see what's in it. That way we can see what it all contains and give you an idea of what's going on, what's going to be going on, should I say. So enough for now, and I'll see you in whenever. Super excited I got my package. Hopefully it's what y'all guess it is, or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and open this package, and I'm gonna let y'all see what's in the package and go from there and give you an idea of what I'm planning on doing and seeing why I got what I got. I changed my mind about certain things, but let me go ahead and open this package, and then you'll see what it is. So I'm gonna put you down. There you go. You can see the package. See the package? I'm gonna go ahead and open the package. With my handy dandy knife right here. Hopefully it is what the gentleman said it was going to be and what I ordered. So I don't know if you can see it, but it got a little bit of stuff in it. So I'm gonna move the little stuff out the way, and here we go. Look, there's that. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? All right. And then we got this guy right here. Oh, little. This guy right here. Move this out of the way so y'all can see. I'm sorry about moving y'all around, but you know, hopefully I can open it. Well, anyway, it is. Oh yeah, there we go. They gave me some stickers and stuff like that. So, yeah, look, this is my stickers. I might go ahead and put that on my car. I don't know yet. You know, this is a sponsor type thing. You know, got 2 of those. I don't know. I might figure out what to do with that one. I'm not gonna say. Just, you know, it's kind of cool. But yeah, look, I got the. Pull this out real quick. Like I said, hopefully you guys guessed what it was. I'm not gonna put it in the description or anything, but at the same time, I don't know if it's in there or not. I believe it is. Let's go ahead and open this guy right here, this guy, and see if it has it in there, or do I have to put it in myself? And it got the cords for me to run it on the computer. Yeah, it gave me some some gifts and gadgets. I just have to figure out where they go, extra things. And yes, it's already set up for it. So it gave me some adapters for what I want to do, and it gave me some stickers. Look, guys, look, some stickers. I got 2 stickers. So hopefully you guys guessed the right thing on this, and kind of give you an idea. Hopefully you figure it out. I'm not going to say any more, but hopefully you can figure out what else I'm going to be doing or what else I'm going to be getting. Like I said, I just got that. I found it at a reasonable price. I wasn't going to get it, but at the same time, I can do this. I can do this for the time being, for what I'm planning on doing. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully the rest of the stuff comes in soon. I don't know how soon, but at the same time, I'm super excited to have this. Like I said, I didn't want it at first, but I did some more research and trying to figure out, you know, for now, this is what I'm going to use. So with that being said, use the resources that I have, and then later on, if I need more resources, then I can rely on more resources. But with this one, I think it might do me some justice. Hopefully it works out, and with what I'm trying to do, hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. I'm trying to think over here. This went dumbfounded. Hopefully it works, and I'm going to keep you guys posted on certain things. I'm not going to give too much information away, but if you, like I said in the previous on this video, if you subscribe and hit that notification bell and stay tuned and follow me on all my social medias, I will be posting certain things on there. Won't tell you what I'll be posting, but at the same time, I'll be posting things on there, kind of giving away clues and hints on what is going on and stuff like that. So with that being said, I am going to cut the video here. Like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr. I am trying to get these other things in place, but with that being said, I'm going to end the video here, and thank you for watching.